Hi, Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy from AHAthat. And I'm excited to tell you about AHAthat Radio. So, what's interesting is getting your voice out. As a thought leader, how can you get your voice out in such a way where people hear you, people see you, that you do it not just in the written word, but you do it orally? Well, we have a beautiful solution that is write an AHA book, and then we'll help you actually read your book. And then we'll take your book and we'll place it on 23 locations that sell audiobooks. There's Audible, and then there's 22 others. And so if you click on the button, see the flyer, you can actually see the 23 locations that we're going to list it. We also have AHAthat Radio. Let me show it to you. So I'm going to share the screen here. AHAthat Radio, as you can see here, plays AHA books 24 hours a day. So for those that are interested in being inspired, getting excited, this is a fun book. It's a book on Irish proverbs. No better thought leadership than age-old, time-tested, valuable content. So it's read typically in the author's voice, and it streams 24 hours a day. And I'd love to have you create not just your AHA book, but also read it so that we can not only share it with the world with audiobooks, but also stream it here on AHAthat Radio. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.